All right. So the burnt section is, let's see where, get something to point with here. It's R809, a 30 ohm resistor in series with the C816, the 0.06 rifa cap. So this rifa cap shorted, and then all the current went, it's AC, it's going across the AC, it's an X capacitor. X capacitors go across, Y capacitors go to ground, safety capacitors. So yeah, when that cap shorted out, then all the current went through that resistor and it fried. So yeah, there's this big burned mark on the PC board. So what I'm gonna have to do is get my solder sucker out here, my desoldering tool. I have a nice Heiko FR301 desoldering tool, so we'll get that desoldered, and there's another rifa capacitor that we will remove as well. All right, so here we go. I've got them all removed now and cleaned up. So this is a little divot, if you can see it here, this is a little divot in the PC board. It just charred away a lot of the fiberglass. That's why it's called FR4. FR is fire retardant or fire resistant, something like that. Anyway, so it doesn't catch on fire, and it didn't. It did char it, but it didn't catch on fire. So that's good. I like these brushes. They have a nylon brush on one side, but they have a stainless steel brush on the other, and that stainless steel brush is really good to get in here and clean out stuff. So yeah, there we go. I've got some on order from DigiKey, and we'll pop these guys in. The trace is fine, and the vias and everything are fine. Just burned up the parts. So one rifa there, and we will put a new half watt resistor in. I got my rifa replacements. I know by the magic of videos you think this is a couple days, but it's actually been a couple of weeks, so hopefully I can remember how to put the stupid scope back together. Sorry, my washer's going off in the background as usual. Let's see if it fixed it. Look at some lights. Running self-test. We're good to go. Yep, we're all good to go. Push acquire for start acquiring. Acquire. It's in save mode right now. Yeah, there's nothing going in. I can turn off my save mode. Normal mode. Save off. Channel 1. Stack channel. Oh, I don't know. I don't know how to work this thing yet. Look at that. Interesting. All right. Let's push the repeat on and off, save on and off, on and off. We want it off. Channel 1. Yeah, we need a scope probe. Let's put a scope probe on it. Any old scope probe will do. How about this one? All right. Now, how do I get out of a funny mode I'm in here? Save, save, save. I don't care about this. Yeah, let's save it, save it, save it. Reference. Save, reference div. I don't know. Help. Help. All right. Function. Nope. Units, events, time. Acquire. Oh, are we doing something? Yeah, we're doing something now. No? Oh, yeah. Are we actually acquiring? Yeah, we are. All right, where's trigger mode? Mode, auto mode. Now if I go off, yeah, there we go. Okay, we are working. But only half of it's working. That's because I'm in some strange mode. I'm in strange mode. Auto setup. How come on? Oh, there we go. Phew! Thank you for auto. Got me back to Got me back to something I understand here. Oh, washer's driving me insane. Something I'm gonna have a lab of my own without a washing machine in it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, indeed. All right, there we go. We're back to ground zero. I need to put the case on, but no longer we have rifa caps with smoke coming out. So now we can do some testing on this thing and give it a try. I'll read the instruction manual, make sure I know how to use it. Although there's always the help button. I'm not sure the help button's going to mean much to me right now. But yeah, there we go. Good, complete fix.